Apple Resources Private Limited.
Welcome students to an enriching learning journey ahead with Wood Apple Resources. Class 1 Maths. I am your teacher Disha. Here are your friends.
I am Gopi.
I'm Abhi.
Today I am going to teach you Chapter 9, Traffic Signal, Patterns. Bobby was trying to draw the traffic signal, but he was unable to do it. He asked his sister Pihu to help him. His sister drew the traffic signal and the zebra crossing. Let's see their conversation.
Wow, Pihu, how beautifully you have drawn the traffic symbol. Please tell me what a symbol is.
Symbols are fixed signs or pictures that convey a meaning. Look, this zebra crossing has a fixed pattern of black and white lines. And this traffic light has a fixed pattern of red, yellow and green lights.
Okay, it means patterns are found everywhere.
Yes, the design of your t-shirt, day and night, and the color pattern of the crayon packet also show a pattern.
So dear students, today you explored the wonders of symbols and colors. Let's learn more about patterns. Patterns. Whoopi, do you know patterns are found everywhere in our surroundings?
Really?
Yes. Let us see the image of tiles and the design of the roof, which also show a kind of pattern. The tiling pattern has flowers, which are created by shapes that have four sides and dots. The roof pattern has flowers, which are created by shapes that have curves, triangles, and circles. Thus, patterns are a series of items such as shapes, numbers, colors, etc. placed in a certain order. It means pattern is the regular way in which something is done or happens repeatedly.
मतलब जब भी हम किसी शेप, नंबर या ऑब्जेक्ट को सेम ऑर्डर में रिपीट करते हैं तो वो पैटर्न बन जाता है.
Patterns in nature.
Can we find patterns in nature also?
Yes, Whoopi. Let us see these images. Natural patterns include trees, sun, waves, mountains, snow, flakes, symmetries, dunes, etc. These patterns are formed by natural objects.
Wow, it is so amazing.
Alphabet patterns. Whoopi, do you know that alphabets and numbers also show patterns?
Really? Please tell me how.
Let us see the given images. When we arrange alphabets in a certain order repeatedly, we can create alphabet patterns. Observe the given examples of alphabet patterns. Here, alphabets are arranged in a particular order with repetition.
पहले पैटर्न में अल्फाबेट्स A, B और C को एक के बाद एक लिखा है,
जबकि दूसरे पैटर्न में अल्फाबेट्स A और B को दो बार रिपीट कर पैटर्न बनाया है. Interesting, isn't it? Number patterns.
How can we create number patterns?
Let us see the given images. When numbers are arranged in a certain order repeatedly, the patterns that are formed are known as number patterns. Observe the given examples of number patterns. Here, in the first example, alternate numbers are arranged in a particular order with repetition that forms the table of 2. In the second example, the numbers are arranged in a group in order with a repetition of the value of that number itself.
It is amazing. मतलब जब हम अल्फाबेट्स को किसी पर्टिकुलर ऑर्डर में या सीक्वेंस में लिखते हैं तो वो अल्फाबेट पैटर्न्स बनाते हैं. इसी तरह जब नंबर्स को प्रॉपर इंटरवल में किसी ऑर्डर में रिपीट कर लिखा जाता है तो वो नंबर्स पैटर्न्स बनाते हैं.
Yes, number patterns are fun, just like playing with numbers. Growing patterns. Students, do you know that along with alphabet and number patterns, there is one more interesting pattern which is known as the growing pattern. Let us learn the growing patterns. The patterns that increase or grow according to a certain rule are called growing patterns. These patterns can be found in pictures, shapes, objects, or numbers. Observe this image. It shows the growth of a rooster from egg to adult. The chick came out of an egg and it increased in size and became a rooster. Similarly, these circles also show a growing pattern. Circles are increased in number from 2 to 4, then 6, 8, and so on. Students, in this chapter, you have learned about patterns, patterns in nature, alphabet patterns, number patterns, and growing patterns. Thank you for joining us. Keep learning and exploring with Wood Apple Resources.